Hi, I'm Emma. I'm an intern at CEI, and today I'm going to show you how to repot tomato plants. So these have been in here for about 2 to 3 weeks, and it's time to repot them. So we're going to take a pencil and just poke them out, and you can see they're ready because their roots are starting to grow a little circular and they're getting confined. So we take a bigger pot, fill it with soil, and then we need to compress it so that the roots can grow into it and it's not too loose for them. And then we will put the plant in, put some dirt on top of it up to the lowest leaf just for some support. And then, yeah, it's pretty simple. Now it has room to grow and expand and grow bigger. And then it can be in this pot for about 2 more weeks before it's ready to go out in the garden.